Hi, everybody. My name is Rob Gauthier, the ET Whisperer. I wanted to share a little bit about my workshop I'm going to be doing at the channel panel. November 14, 15, 16 are the 3-day events. And I'm going to be doing my workshop on the Metatron Matrix. So I've done this workshop a few times in a few different places, like the Lumerian Life Expo recently. But this version of that workshop is going to be a little bit different. Normally, I would just come in and share a little bit about who Metatron is, what he is, a little bit about my own experience with him, which I do plan to share in this workshop. And then I would just channel Metatron, and Metatron would share a message. But this time, I want to do something a bit more specific. The energy of the Metatron Matrix is what we're focusing on. The energy of how his consciousness is so motivating and pushes to help get your energy in alignment with your desires. For me, Metatron has been the manifestational energy. Every time I channel him, things in my life really shift towards what I've wanted. And that's something I never experienced channeling any other being. Ardif and Treb are amazing, but Metatron's energy is very transformative. So I wanted to share a little bit about this Metatron Matrix and what to expect from going to the workshop. Part of the energy in the matrix of Metatron is understanding first the simple stuff, the daily life experiences, how to integrate the new energies. And it's a very transformative type of energy, but help us use it in our daily lives. And he'll be sharing some practical techniques and practical ideas to help us kind of connect with that energy better. But also, the experience of going from third density to fourth density is a big part of our transitional energy. And a lot of people already kind of are working on that and their excitement and experience. So this energy itself has to do with taking this transitional period and giving us use and understanding and practical flows into experiencing how to use that power of the transformation to increase our ability to manifest these things that we desire. And it's not always the money and cars, although some people do really focus on that. It's about the quality of life that we're living and the practical ways to create the way of life that we want to live. So it's a very exciting aspect, and I've been working with his energy more and more, which has helped progress my own life. So I'm going to have him work with you guys during that time and create an opportunity for energy to be understood through all layers. So getting the information is one thing, but he's going to also teach us how to use that in a practical sense. And the energy of transformation that we're experiencing together, he'll give you an opportunity to ask questions and get feedback. So this is a 2-hour workshop, and maybe 30 minutes of it will be me sharing. The other 90 minutes will be him channeling for maybe an hour of that, maybe 45 minutes, and then taking questions from people too. So it will be like having a personal Metatron session with this group of up to 100 people. So I really hope that you guys can join me. The time, the date will be all in the information below, as well as how to register for the channel panel event. Even though you can come and just go to this workshop, if you join the 3-day event, that gives you access to all of the channelers on the main stage with Q&A also. All the details will be below. I hope to see all of you guys there, and I hope that whatever you get from this exchange and from the experience and from the actual connection to Metatron and learning how to use his energy and how to call his energy and having him share about that will be really as transformational in your life as it has been mine. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in the channel panel.